It is the BJP hitting out at the Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka, hitting out at Siddaramaiah, and this is because Siddaramaiah decided to take stock of the flood-hit affected area of Kalaburgi, but using a chopper in order to take that aerial survey of the damage and the extent of damage as far as the state is concerned, particularly in the flood-hit area of Kalaburgi. The Chief Minister there, not using the roads, and that is how the BJP is hitting out at the current government of the Congress. It is, of course, R. Ashok there saying again and again in Bengaluru, deaths are taking place. Today, a girl has lost her life. In fact, this is very, very serious a scenario, but all over Bengaluru and Karnataka, but people are suffering due to potholes. And here we have the government, as far as the Congress government is concerned, with Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar, they're traveling only by helicopters because they know how bad the situation on the ground is. The reality is that the roads are so bad that nobody should be traveling on them, is what is being said by R. Ashok. So really hitting out and taking that pot shot at the government, at the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. Listen in to R. Ashok.
Again and again in Bangalore, death happening. Yesterday also, a 25 years girl was in accident because of the pothole. The Congress government, they has become blind. That's why they are not seeing any people. They are suffering all over Karnataka and Bangalore, suffering from the pothole. But Congress government, Mr. Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar, traveling in helicopter only. They are not traveling in car and road. They are traveling only helicopters. This is the thing happening. So today also, Siddaramaiah is going by air to visit the flood affected area, not by road, because roads are not good.